In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Rectangle tool in TradingView. If you've ever wanted a clean way to highlight support and resistance zones, consolidation ranges, or areas of interest on your chart, the Rectangle tool is one of the simplest and most effective ways to do it. I'll walk you through placing a rectangle, then show you exactly how to customize it so it's clear, readable, and useful for your analysis. Start by opening your chart in TradingView. Make sure you're on the symbol and time frame you want to annotate. On the left toolbar, look for the Drawing Tools panel and click Geometric Shapes. From the list, select Rectangle. Your cursor will change, letting you place the shape directly on the chart. To draw the rectangle, click where you want one corner to be, then drag to the opposite corner that defines the area you want to highlight. When the size and position look right, release the mouse to place it. You can fine-tune the placement by grabbing the sides or corners and nudging them to line up with candle highs and lows. This makes it easier to capture the specific zone you care about without covering too much of the chart. Now, double-click the rectangle to open its settings and customize the way it looks. Under Style, adjust the border thickness and choose a solid or dashed outline, depending on how prominent you want it to appear. Set the border color to something that contrasts with your background, so the edges are easy to see. Choose a background color for the fill. A subtle, neutral tone often works best. Then adjust opacity to control how transparent the fill is. Lower opacity keeps the candles visible beneath the shape, which is great for ongoing analysis. You can enable a middle line if you want a reference running through the center of the zone. This can help you judge whether price is holding the middle of the range or shifting toward one side. If you want the zone to continue across future or past bars, use Extend. You can extend both directions, or choose Extend Left or Extend Right to carry the rectangle in only one direction. This is especially helpful for marking a level you want to monitor as new candles print. Finally, go to Text to label your zone and add notes inside the box. Keep it short and descriptive, things like the purpose of the zone or conditions you're watching. With these settings dialed in, your rectangles will be clear, consistent, and ready to guide your decisions on any chart.